Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type error on Roblox game. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting app and scroll down and tap on apps and tap on apps management and scroll down and type on Roblox and scroll down and type on permission. You as can see you have allow all permission. Tap on camera and tap on allow. Go back and tap on microphone and tap on allow. Go back and tap on storage and tap on allow. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your Play Store, and from here type on Roblox, and from here you make sure that update new version, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.